The Northern Hemisphere, December. As the sun retreats and the temperatures plummet, the world outside enters a state of dormancy. But here, in the artificial warmth of the Pacific Northwest workshop, we observe a peculiar creature, Homo fabricatus, more commonly known as the tradesman. He is a solitary male, rugged, specialized, and at this moment profoundly distressed. The source of his anguish lies before him, a holiday project half finished. A fragile wooden offering he is biologically compelled to complete, a ritual as ancient as his lineage. Yet he cannot, for he lacks the precise tools and fasteners required to continue. Without them, the build is impossible. He has been waiting for weeks, waiting for a delivery that never comes. Holiday shipping delays have disrupted the great migratory flow of tools, and the tradesman, deprived of this vital resource, grows spiritually desiccated. He repeatedly searches his surroundings, hoping he may have overlooked an essential provision. But there is no hope. His pegboard has been depleted, his drawers emptied, and his vessels run dry. This is not a mere inconvenience. This is a catastrophe. The lone male is in the full clutches of a tool drought, starving for resources in what should be a season of abundance. A cruel and bitter irony. Suddenly, a vibration. His ears prick up. He senses a disturbance in the atmosphere. Intruders. From the frozen exterior, a pack emerges. 3 males on the prowl, in search of an easy target. They are clad in the distinctive winter plumage of the species, heavy flannel, work belts, and a hat. The solitary tradesman freezes. He places a protective hand near his unfinished project. In times of drought, theft is common. The pack approaches. They are cautious. They sniff the air, smelling the sawdust and fear. The alpha of the pack, the one with the clipboard, locks eyes with our hero. The tension is palpable. The air thick with unspoken threats. The solitary male knows he is outnumbered. He cannot win a physical confrontation, but he must do something. Slowly, and with trepidation, he reaches beneath his workbench. A weapon? No, not a weapon, but instead an offering. A donut. Stale, perhaps from yesterday morning. The alpha examines it. He looks at his pack. He looks back at the tradesman. With a nod, he accepts. The tension breaks. And then something extraordinary happens. A moment so rare it has never before been captured on film. The alpha reaches into his tool belt. Light glints off polished steel. It is a hammer, one of the very tools the tradesman has been pining for. The other males follow suit, contributing what they can. It is a miracle. The workshop transforms into a hive of activity. The solitary male holds the wood. The alpha drives the nail. The subordinates sand, polish, and tidy. They move with a synchronized rhythm, a ballet of construction. There is no need for language here. The nod of a head, the grunt of exertion, this is the universal language of the tradesman. The project takes shape. A birdhouse, a chair, it matters not. What matters is the act of creation. Working as one, they have overcome the drought. They have defied the unexpected in banding together. Done. But then, a sound from the entrance. A hollow, rhythmic thudding. The tradesman opens the enclosure's barrier. There on the concrete stoop, cardboard. Piles and piles of cardboard. The shipping delays have cleared. The logistical dam has burst. They tear into the packages with the enthusiasm of cubs. Look at this, a pair of aviation snips with serrated blades, chalk boxes and hammers, the lifeblood of the tradesman. The drought is over. The workshop is flooded with new life. The relief is instantaneous. The tradesman is a miraculous creature. He creates, he builds the world we live in, but he is a species in decline. The knowledge of how to cut, how to fasten, how to mend, it is in danger of being lost. But look there. The tradesman hands a tool to the youngest of the pack. He shows him the grip. He demonstrates the motion. Mentorship. As long as there are tools to be held and elders willing to teach, there remains hope. If we can put these instruments into the hands of the next generation, perhaps, just perhaps, we can ensure that the spirit will live on in Planet Workshop.
Turn it down a little bit. Yeah. All right. And action.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Nice
Let's
placement.
try one.